How to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can turn off restricted mode on YouTube. So what restricted mode does is it hides potentially violent and videos that are not pleasable to viewers. So it simply removes that kind of videos from your YouTube page. So if you want to turn that setting off, what you'll need to do is go to your YouTube channel or YouTube app, then go to your U page on the bottom right. After you there, tap on the settings icon on the top right. After you on general, you'll find the restricted. Turn it off and you are good to go. Great guys, and that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.